Hello guys, welcome back to Auckland Fishing. My name is Taki and I'm here with brother K. He's inviting me to join his kayak fishing and we are going to the northwest part of Auckland. So here we go. We're going to the spot X and I will show you because this is gonna be exciting because this is my first time ever going to do kayak fishing and this is my first fishing trip of 2024. Let's go. Out there and I lost my tripod. Oh, no. everything in the bag, but luckily not the camera. All the gear. So we have arrived to the spot X and we're going to set up all the gear. I just told Brother K about how I end up losing all my rails and everything that I put on the bag at the end of the 2023. Just before Christmas I went to Waiheke for fishing with a couple of friends. I just thought that it would be safe that I put everything in the back of the ferry on the aisle, but I guess someone took it. So that's a sad story of the end of the 2023. But here we go. I'm fishing with Brother K. He's so nice and he offered me to join him to do kayak fishing. And here we go. So many people. As I told you before that this is my first time doing the kayak fishing, and here Brother K is helping me learning on the go. So I know nothing about kayak fishing and this is my first time. Even he showed me how to paddle, how to stop, how to turn, everything from zero, from nothing. So wish me luck. I'm not gonna end up flipping.
Yeah. Oh yeah, nice.
After getting some more confidence, we decided to paddling to the spot. It was not very deep, only like probably 7 meters, because that was my first time, and let's see what we can catch. Cheers.
Ripping them in half.
Let me tell you about how our fishing is going. So we are using straight lining strategy and we're using mallet and pilchard as a bait, and let's see how it goes.
Where are they out here, man? I reckon straight lining is pretty on. Successful out of fishing, I reckon. I'm quite new to maybe a year into learning how to do straight line.
Oh really?
Yeah. I never had a bait runner set up for
2 times in a row. Missy tero. Missy tero.
Mustn't be quite big enough to just eat the whole bait, eh?
Yep, yep.
28. Striking. Let it run and twist it.
So while I'm using the pilchard as a bait, and we know that pilchard is easily broken, especially during a strong current. So to solve that problem, I usually have this thin elastic cotton that I bought. We can buy that from the local store, or usually buy it from AliExpress because it's cheaper and I can buy this in a bulk. Nice. Let's see.
It doesn't get caught around the belly bone.
It's just down there.
Yeah. I'm up in between my line, my main line, and the belly
In the
bone.
belly bone.
It feels like it's 25, but it's something.
Yeah.
Bugger. Tell us where your uncle's at, bro.
Your grandfather.
Yeah. Let's get the granddaddy.
Let's join the 20-pounder.
Cool, first one's back.
Oh, at least you got something.
Just trying to throw the first one back. Good sign to Tangaroa.
Oh yeah. Yep.
Fuck.
Oh!
It's alright, bro. Play it out. Play it
Yeah,
out,
bro.
brother. Yeah. Feel like a snapper or kahawa?
I think it's snapper.
Snapper? Nice. Oh, no,
Nah.
no, all good. Pull it in there. It's still something.
I think it's the current. Make it look. No.
Yeah, it makes it look big, eh? But yeah, plus it's
Yeah.
felt good, bro. You're on the board, though. We're on the board.
Yeah. Finally something. Through the gill.
Come on, brother.
Here we go. You're on? Nice. Here we go. Nah.
About the same size.
Ah, I see.
But still on. Oh, yeah, still on.
Mhm.
Just a little one.
Yeah, the current make it look like strong.
Come on, have a scrap. Wake up.
So far we have started our fishing session quite slow. We catch some small snappers,
Might be.
but it's all good.
might be legal.
That's part
Yeah,
of
I think
fishing.
so. Maybe. I don't know. Whoosh. Splash, splash.
Bro, I think that
Looks legal.
gonna
Looks
fucking
legal.
measure it, eh?
Yeah. Nice. On Pilgay.
It was a mullet.
Oh, that was small.
Oh, sorry, no. It was mullet
Fi-
skin and,
and
a,
then
and a pilly head.
In a pilly, right?
Yeah. So that's actually like a 33 or 30, yeah. Your turn, bro.
The dog. It's big, half
Yeah, half a mullet head.
mullet head. Let's see if we can catch. Oh, yes.
Right to the back of our trail.
I can see.
So here we ended up trying to do something different, but the kid tried to use half of mallet head and then put it as a bait, and I was using snatcher rake that I bought, and I stopped using the stray lining actually, and let's see how it plays. Here we can see that Brother K also used snatcher rig on his hand lining setup. So what I was doing here, I retrieved back my line and wind up slowly, and let's see if I can catch a fish. And that's exactly what happened. Am I on?
Yes, yes.
Oh, oh my god! What is this? Oh, shh.
That's a nice size
Ooh.
snapper, my bro. Pull up and get out the way.
It's okay. Ooh. Pulling a line eh? Oh, shit. Get the dog.
Get the dog.
Oh.
Fuck yeah. Any colour yet?
Nah.
Nah. Keep playing it, brother.
Oh yeah, snapper.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, boy. Oh, it's a big one.
Whoa.
Oh.
Nice work, brother. That looks like a 6-8 pounder, my bro.
Shoot! Oh my lord!
50 centimeter ease. Fuck, it's good, bro. I'm glad to get you on some good stuff.
Because of Brother K. Oh, and flash a rig.
Flash it red, bro. I gotta
Yeah.
put mine back down.
Yeah. Oh my lord. It's a big one.
Family eating well tonight.
Oh. My son will love this. Oh, no.
You let your line out a bit. That's what I was hoping would swing past us, bro.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Oh, nice.
Smash the rig, bro. Those extra colours there. You bring it in a bit.
Yes, I think so. It does that trick. I'm gonna do this.
Pop the hook, bro.
Yeah. Oh, it's on. Oh, it's a big one. Pop the hook. Yeah. Oh, the burley works.
Choice.
Oh my lord.
Cover his eyes and he will be a bit more tame. He gets disorientated in the dark.
Oh yeah.
Right, well hooked as well, eh?
Oh.
Side of the mouth.
Yes. Yeah, they will. Easy 50. Oh, it's legal.
Yep. From here to here is 50.
50,
so it's
yeah.
like 55.
50 something.
Right, that's mean.
Oh.
Look how fat it is.
Yeah, the
It's
belly.
healthy, bro, and like how thick that tail is.
Yep.
Yeah.
Woo! Nice.
Couple more of them.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That makes the whole trip worth it.
That's amazing.
Yeah. Maintain.
We can eat this actually.
Right. Yeah. Chili style.
Since we have seen that this natural flash array work, I decided to go with this setup until the end.
Oh, that's a good
I
one.
think I felt hooked there.
Oh, really?
That looks
Ah.
bigger than what it is, I think.
What?
Maybe.
Oh, it's a good one. Nah. Nice. Finally. Ooh. Falling up a line. Oof. Nah, I'm not gonna do this.
Oh, we got colour, my bro.
Ooh. Oh, it's a big one. Oh, nice. Nice. It's the same size as before.
Oh, yours is bigger, bro. But that's nice.
That's nice.
Neater, bro.
Nice.
Neater.
Nice. Woo.
Oh, I'm stoked, brother.
Ah.
We're back to having a good feed.
Yep.
Yeah. Good story to tell.
It's probably okay, it's right there. Oh, the fish is there. The big fish is there.
Not a regular
Not a regular church guy.
Hey, I got nothing against it.
Yeah.
Force it on other people.
Yep, yep.
Need some more mullet. Oh no, you're up.
I'm good, I'm good. I still have. Yeah. I'm good. Just put a little mallet. Oh yeah. They're active now. Yeah. So many bites. Come on. Take it.
Oh, hey, yes.
Yep.
Get things off. No time for that.
Some action. Oh, it's down there. The burley starts working. Ooh, pulling line.
does. Good enough, doesn't it? Yes, brothers.
Woohoo! We're on.
We're on.
We're on again. No, it's the time.
My time, my brother.
Yeah.
Ooh. What kind of time that?
They're having lunch at the moment. No, 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 no. Where is the hook? In the corner of the mouth. Woo! On the Philly!
On the Philly bird! Oh, I gotta get my Philly down.
With the cotton!
Couple of PBs in one session, bro.
Yes! Oh, nice! Thanks, brother! Oh, man.
All those mooches are coming past, man.
Yeah, yeah.
Proves you don't have to be deep.
Yeah, shallow works.
That's close to the 55 again, eh?
Dang! Yeah. On the Philly. Whoa, whoa. Now, how do I?
Yeah, we're on slack tide right now, bro.
Oh, that's why. The current. The current bring the fish. Oh, wait, wait. A solid session. That was the end of the session actually, guys. So we were heading back to the shore and it was exciting but also very tiring to me because that was my first time to do kayaking, but I'm excited. So grateful for the result. We caught some good fish today. We actually caught 9 fish, 8 snappers, 1 shark, but we didn't film all the actions since the battery didn't last long. What a day. Thanks for watching until this part of the video, guys. Really appreciate your support. Thanks for the like. Don't forget to comment and subscribe. And see ya in the next vid. Bye bye. And the shark, the longest one.